Action.
Hi everyone, it's me, Coach Jordy of Coach Gym Poet. I'm a fitness trainer and world class exercise trainer. And I am also the president of Health and Fitness Association. And I just want to announce that Health and Fitness Association for Filipino enthusiasts and trainers is organizing the Mr. Philippines in Kuwait Season 2 Bodybuilding for a Cause. Here are the details. Event Mr. Philippines in Kuwait Season 2 Bodybuilding Competition, November 15, 2024, Friday. Time 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. at Carlton Tower Hotel. This event is in celebration of the Health and Fitness Association 2nd year anniversary. The competition will feature 3 categories, 70 down, 75 down, and 75 up. So all Filipino bodybuilders from different countries, we invite you all to join and compete. We have a lot of prize to be given. So for inquiries, you can contact the organizers of the following number: 6519-4163, 900-20923, and 663-52592. So let's do it!
Ito yung sayaw.
Kaya di babasa. Ano na talaga yung masalam? Kaya kailangan ko na talaga sa